Want to know how to use LinkedIn to find a job? Here are 5 easy steps to get you started. Step 1 is all about creating an impressive LinkedIn profile. You'll want to make sure it stands out and highlights your skills and experiences. Add a professional headshot, write a catchy summary, and don't forget to showcase your relevant experience, education, and skills. Now that your profile is ready, it's time to expand your network. Networking is key to finding job opportunities on LinkedIn. Connect with colleagues, classmates, and professionals in your desired field. Engage with their content and don't be afraid to reach out and start conversations. It's time to use LinkedIn's powerful job search feature. Tap on the Jobs tab, and then customize your search by location, industry, and job title. Customize your resume and cover letter to align with the job requirements. Highlight your relevant skills and experiences that make you the perfect fit for the role. Lastly, it's important to engage and build relationships within your industry. Comment on posts, share your expertise, and join relevant LinkedIn groups. Building relationships can lead to valuable connections and job opportunities. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use LinkedIn to find your dream job. Remember, be proactive, stay engaged, and keep refining your profile. Good luck on your job search. Follow us for more career tips and advice.